Kular Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ktah University, Meghalaya.
Usambut menteri rong ba kejala ubak persatuan tensong haka ar punai tarik menaitung aja punriu ulong bah ka jinglet yakendo kino yalam Balang nami khalia hapo ka jingalam menteri rong ba kejala ukon rat ke sangma yaki menteri ka sorkar pereng halor kamat Foreign Contribution Regulation Act la Kular ban Pynbeit yaki Kyndon ka Ktah yaki Balang Kristan ha North East bat khamtam hami khalia hajing krem bakila pathai kubor ubat tensong ulong baka jing petrikam yaka FCRA kamde satiatang yaki nyam Kristan hanrei wat yaki wikiweru kijat nyam kibadon hapo kari India.
Recently, Honorable Chief Minister has taken the delegation to Delhi, met few leaders of the central government, and they assured also to the delegation that the clauses of that proposed amendment, which is directly or indirectly affected the functioning of the churches in the northeastern state, particularly in Meghalaya, that has been assured by the government of India to amend it. Okay, so right now I am not aware whether that amendment has been changed or not. So I can't just say that I will abstain it. Because see, FCRA, it does not mean only for the Christian. You need to understand that. FCRA is for different organization. Okay? Not only for Christianity. So this cover for the entire nation. So therefore, our concern is from the Christianity point of view. So we have already aired these issues. We have already proposed the amendment also. So as I said to you, I'm yet to update whether those clauses where we submitted to the government of India has been agreed or not. That I don't know yet. Unless I know that, then I can tell you that yes, we are against it or we are in favor of it.
Sir,
but I don't know other,
the bill has been reintroduced in the monsoon session.
Of course.
So if there is an amendment, it has to go to the joint parliamentary committee or standing committee. So bill has been introduced in the monsoon session. So it's very clear that dilution has not happened in the bill.
No, you can't say that, because now the government while passing it towards the end of this session, because the passing has to happen towards the end of the session. So in between of that, they can always do the amendment. That's what I'm saying, because that time when the CM took a delegation, they has assured the delegation that yes, these issues, these concerns of the delegation will be taken care of.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phaudli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka Balang critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrei ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de na kata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan